y'all, what's going on in YouTube land? So I know it's been a while, but yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So today my goal is to get the motor out of the subframe on an engine hoist, but before I could do that, transmission's got to come off, so that's what I'm working on right now. No chitter chatter, let's just do it. First things first, starter is off. Can't stress this enough. Put the bolts back in the holes. You won't have to worry about finding them later. Next, let's go. Alright, trans lines are disconnected. Both sides. Bolts are out. Now let's see if I can get this off and onto this dolly without hurting myself or the motor. Should be fun, let's try it. And there we go. Now that that's off, we'll strap it to that dolly, find a place to store it, and next we're gonna try to use a cherry picker, pick it up, put it on the engine stand. So let's do that next. Gotta disconnect the motor mounts and all that shit, but yeah, let's do that. So real quick, I'm going to show you how I reinforce these cheap $60 engine stands from Harbor Freight. Alright, she's all clamped up. Not going for perfect. I am going for, you know, obviously don't want to lose my goddamn motor. A little bit of paint and she's ready to go. So now, pull the engine hoist out, pick this motor up, try to get it on the engine stand. I might have to cut the motor mount bolt hole things because I don't think the trans bolts are going to be long enough to meet up with the transmission. So, but yeah, I'm going to do that. And success. So now my next course of action, start getting into it. Take the heads off, see why I mean, this had to be a freshly rebuilt motor. I mean, the rear main seal looks brand new. So I'm still thinking it dropped a valve seat, but yep, we're gonna find out. Now that it's off of the subframe, I get the hell out of the heat. It's 12 o'clock right now, Phoenix, Arizona, so it gets pretty fucking hot pretty quick. But yeah, let's start turning into it. Alright, so this is the water pump return line. Yeah, that's got a big old hole in it. So maybe they lost coolant and thought that they were losing the coolant in the motor. I don't know, I'm not sure. But that's definitely gonna have to be replaced. Alright, just a little tip that I like to do. So what I did was I obviously painted each side different color. That way I know everything goes back onto the head that it came off of. And obviously I didn't go very thick. You see it come off, but as long as I see any kind of red, I know that that's going back onto this head. And then obviously I'll clean it all off before I put it back in. So, but I think I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, get into this tomorrow. Alright, here it is, next day. Quick update. I got the water pump and timing chain housing cover off. Now what I gotta do is, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it to top dead center, pull the heads off. I'm just waiting on some assembly lube, header gaskets that I just ordered. Head gaskets, not header. Got a new oil pump, new timing chain, new tensioner, cam and crank gears, pulleys, whatever you want to call them. I had initially bought a phase limiter. If anybody knows anything about hemis, the 09 and up have a phase limiter, and when you delete the MDS, you have to put a little piece that goes inside to hold the spring. Stops your motor from wanting to go into MDS mode. Obviously, it's being pre-09, doesn't have it. Nice, interesting little fact. Same bolt pattern. So I got the old one off. These should do well. At least now, once I do all four, I should be able to at least put them on the tire dollies that I bought. You can't see it, it's underneath that pan. But yep, should be able to move it around a little easier. I think next what I'm going to do is I'm going to start pulling all the front end stuff off of the truck and try to get that motor out now that I got this one on the stand. Transmission's under the table. Yep, and then once I do that, I can start trying to figure out how I'm going to get that front subframe on. I know it's horrible. Sorry for the noise. They're literally building across the street. And yeah. But yeah, stay tuned. Before, after. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll make sure to update when I can. I'm getting ready to post this video and then head back outside to start working. So again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good shit. I don't have to tell you, you sure already know. Yep. Peace.